Hi, buddy. Welcome to Answers Q. Microsoft is conducting a free workshop on artificial intelligence named Microsoft AI Classroom, in which you can learn about emerging technologies like artificial intelligence, data science, machine learning, virtual reality, and a lot more. And this workshop will be conducted from June 21 to June 23, 2021. We'll be seeing more details regarding this free workshop conducted by Microsoft in this video, and I will also show you how you can apply to this workshop. Before we see those things, if you haven't subscribed to our channel, kindly do that first. Click on the subscribe button and the bell icon that appears after that, so you will get a notification whenever I upload a video like this. And you can also visit answersq.com website if you want to know more about free online courses, job offers, internships, workshops, and other online events. And if you want to get some courses at a discounted rate, you can visit this special offers page. So I hope you'll find that useful. So now let us get into the content of this video. So this Microsoft AI Classroom workshop will be conducted from June 21 to 23rd, as I said, and it's a free of cost program, so you don't have to pay for anything. And Microsoft is conducting this workshop in association with NASCOM Future Skills, and this program is supported by GitHub, and it's a free of cost program. They have mentioned here as well at no cost. And this is how this program will be working. So first you have to register for the online workshop, and then you have to attend the workshop, and after that you will receive an email to take the online assessment. So you have to take that online assessment, and you have to minimum get a score of 60% or more than that, and then you have to update your Microsoft Azure skills on LinkedIn. I'll show you how you can do that. And after that you have to submit your LinkedIn URL and other details as well to get your certificate for this Microsoft AI Classroom workshop conducted by Microsoft. So this is how this program will be working, and here they have given 3 dates: June 21, 22, 23. So these are the dates on which this program will be conducted from 2 p.m. to 5:30 p.m. So basically the session will be repeated for all the 3 days. You can attend any one session, that is more than enough, because the session will be repeated, as I said. And here they have given about the sessions on session topics and agenda. So basically there are three modules in this program. Module 1 is data science lifecycle and cognitive services. Module 2 is building machine learning models on Azure. Module 3 is intelligent conversational AI. So these are the three major modules, major topics which will be covered in this program. So every module will have a live Q&A session as well, and you will also get a 5 minutes industry talk as well for each module. And if you have any doubt, you can clear that in your Q&A session. So these are the topics and agenda for this program, and we'll see how to register for the program. Before that, let's see a few more details here. So these are the speakers from whom you'll be learning about artificial intelligence, data science, machine learning, all these technology stuff. If you want, you can just see about these people here, and here they have given more details about the program. So this is a 3-hour live session which will cover key topics like artificial intelligence, machine learning, and data science. And you will get a link to exclusive Microsoft official course material for AI 900 course, and it will be shared by the trainers during the program. You can make use of it, and there are only limited seats, so if you are interested, apply as early as possible. And let's see about the assessment details now. So as I said, after the assessment, after attending the workshop, you will receive a assessment link for knowledge check. After completing the assessment and updating your skills on LinkedIn, you can get your certificate for Microsoft AI Classroom. So you will have to take the assessment, as I said. In that assessment, you will get 30 MCQ questions, that is multiple choice questions, and you will have only 20 minutes to complete that. So you have to attend 30 questions in 20 minutes, 20 MCQ questions. So in that assessment, you have to score 60% or more than that to pass and receive your Microsoft AI Workshop participation certificate from Microsoft. It's free of cost. Everything is available for you for free. You don't have to pay for anything. And for clearing the assessment, you will get a maximum attempt of 3. So you have to clear the assessment before 3 attempts. And the certificate which you will be getting will be a joint certificate offered by Microsoft and NASCOM Future Skills. And here they have given how you can update your skills on how you can update your skills on LinkedIn, that is your Microsoft Azure skills on LinkedIn. So here they have given a word submit here. it's like a link embedded in it. You can just click on it and it will take you to another page in which you can actually share your LinkedIn profile. So here they have given the LinkedIn URL sharing facility. You can just give your URL, LinkedIn URL, and give your email ID, and check these boxes and click on the submit button. And before that, you have to first update your skills on LinkedIn. If you do not know how to do that, here they have given a video for that. Just click on it and watch the video. You will get to know what you have to do, and then you can submit your LinkedIn URL. And after that you can get your certificate from Microsoft for this program. And the assessment link will be live between July 15. I mean, it will be available up to July 15, so you have to complete your assessment before July 15. And here they have given some resources as well, so you can make use of these resources before joining this workshop conducted by Microsoft. So now let's see how to register for this Microsoft AI Classroom workshop. So here they have given the dates. You can just choose any one date that's comfortable for you. So before we register, I just want to tell you something. If you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, kindly do that first. Click on the subscribe button and the bell icon that appears after that, so you will get a notification whenever I upload a video like this. And you can also visit answersq.com website if you want to know more about free online courses. So now let's see how to register for this AI workshop. So choose any one date, as I said. For example, I'll go with June 23rd, 2 p.m. to 5:30 p.m. session. So click on this here. Click here to register. Once you click on that, you will be taken to another page. And in this page, you have to give your details like your first name, last name, email address, phone number, your job role. If you're a student, you can just type in student, and you have to provide your company name. And again, if you're a student, just give your college name and choose your country. And then you have to check these boxes given here, and then you have to verify that you are not a robot, and give your company size. And again, if you're a student, you can just select the option 1 here. And after giving all these things, you can just click on this register now button. So this is how you need to register for this Microsoft AI Classroom workshop. And after the registration, you will receive a mail from Microsoft in which you will get all the details regarding this Microsoft AI Classroom workshop in detail. So I hope you'll find this video useful. If you want to get more updates about free online courses, subscribe to AnswersQ and press the bell icon so that you will get a notification whenever I upload a video like this. And you can also visit answersq.com website if you want to know more about free online courses, job offers, internships, workshops, and other online events. And you can also check out the special offers page if you want to get some courses at a discounted rate. And do not forget to connect with me on social media channels like Instagram. I'll give you all the link in description. Check it out.